This is the second morning of my surrender challenge, my surrender practice of 31 days. And even though I just started last night, I am already starting to feel a big difference in the way that I'm holding myself and giving more to God. Last night I cried several times, and I feel like it was a huge release of the burdens that I had upon my heart that I hadn't spoken out loud. And just being able to give these to God through Jesus, through Mary, has created such a relief in my body and has really opened me up to be cracked open by God's love, who fills in the cracks and crevices of emptiness in my body. It is when I empty myself that God can come in. And I hope you will do this too.